Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Good morning. It's super early here in my house. I don't know what time you're watching this video, but good morning. Michael just left for work and he leaves super early, so I decided to get up and start kind of working on some things because I am just trying to finish my photo box, you guys, which I am super proud. If you don't remember, I used to have this failed to the max, and so now I'm down to these photos right here. These are just envelopes that are sitting there, and these are some Mother's Day cards my family gifted me, but these are the photos. And then this is my little stamp journal here, and this is some stuff I'm saving to share in a haul. I did some damage with AliExpress, and you know that company takes forever to get here, so I'm just holding on to pieces as they come. But look how little photos I have, which I'm super excited. I want to continue to make progress. So today I'm going to be doing a quick and easy layout in my little journal, and I have these little pictures that are completely different locations. This is at my mother-in-law's house. Look how gorgeous those flowers are. And then this is at my house with my roses before I had to dig them out. So I didn't share this with you guys, but my roses got the rosette disease, and basically I have to pull them all out and don't plant anything for at least 6 months so that the mites can kind of die off, or I guess, or go somewhere, I don't know. So I don't have my roses anymore, and these yellow ones I had just planted, which is kind of upsetting, but it's okay. I'm excited to play with other plants and, you know, do something different. But I've had these pictures. Obviously, like I said, different locations. I want to journal about them a little bit, you know, because I am a plant lover, and I love the yellow of the photos. So what I did is I cleaned off, I'm going to show you, I cleaned off my scrap drawer as well. As you can see how much space I now have. And actually I have a notebook in here, and I have more books in here, so it's not as much scrap paper as you would think. This is just my little wrapping paper that I use for clusters and whatnot. I don't know where to store it, so I just put it on top there. But I took the smaller scraps and I kind of have them in a pile here, and I thought, like, let's just do an easy cluster. And basically that's the goal for today. Super easy. And I did go ahead and, like I told you, I cleaned out my scrap drawer. So I basically cut all my paper 5 by 7. Actually, let me do it this way. 5 by 7. And basically I created the background for my pages so that I have stuff to work on. Basically, I'm just doing a quick flip through. Some of these, they're adhered back to back, but I did a crappy job. Like, look, it can easily be pulled apart. And the reason why I did that is because I don't want anything permanent just yet. So this is what I have. So today we're going to be working on this. And I've noticed that, well, I thought most of my pictures, which is not much, well, because this picture is on like this side, I wanted to flip it and then put the main picture here. But let's see, I'm telling you, this is gonna be like a no-brainer. So I'm just trying to see what that one maybe contradicts with the pink. So that's pretty. Let's see. This yellow is definitely too bright, so I'm not gonna use that. I'll just set them aside. Well, it's almost the same type of yellow. Almost. It's not quite. That could work. Like that. Like that. I need something here though. What am I gonna add? Besides some journaling, obviously. I don't know. I feel like none of the colors go. But are we really like gonna be picky about that? Now the colors don't go, but you see how I have dots over here? So I thought that I could add those dots right there. I don't know. Is that how easy we're gonna get? I also have this one. How pretty is that? But don't know that it goes. I kind of need to find something that brings in the blue of these hearts. Maybe this one. No, did that just make it worse? I think it did. I have a bit of pieces. Here, although they don't even go look, it's just some stuff that I had like just basically laying everywhere. These are way too. Oh, I could make these into like my journal spot. I could definitely do this like bullet 1, bullet 2, and bullet 3 on top of that tag. I kind of like that. It's gonna make no sense, but this is kind of like my junk journal where I just put random things. I don't try to overthink it, so I think we're gonna go with that, you guys. And again, this is gonna be a super easy layout. I'm just going to start adhering everything. And then we can just decorate. And I think that's it. I just honestly needed a home for these photos. Ah, and of course I have no staples. Hold on, I have my tiny attacher, and I know this one has staples because I just put them in yesterday. Like that. I should have done at least one over here. Okay. My go-to, I'm sure you've seen it, it's always the same color. It's like a beige. I think it's it works for all your projects, so that's why it's one of the ones that's most used in this household. Just gonna do a simple like that. Sounds good. I honestly feel like nothing matches, but that's okay. And I was also thinking when I was like kind of cutting my paper so that I could have like the pre-pages cut at least, I was thinking that I need to take the time to sew some of these. But these to me like are always like should be easy, you know? At least that's the way I look at it. Okay, how the heck am I gonna glue that? Okay, I have this one. But this one, I've noticed, you guys, I bought this and I talked to you when I got it that I was gonna give it a try. And I honestly feel like it leaks even with the bottle closed. How are we gonna decorate? Like that there. So let me put a little bit of tape there. And I guess I should have not done that because now it's... And I just cleaned off my mat. It may not look like it, but I did. Is that where I had intended to put it? I guess not, but that's where it's going now. Okay, let me grab a few enamel dots, a few words here. This is definitely more of like it goes with the theme, I guess, because it's definitely all about gardening. It says like I did gardening. It says garden feeds my soul, which is speaking true to me, you know. And I wish maybe I could have put the hearts on, kind of like hugging the tapes. And I'm like literally leaning over just trying to make sure. One more. And I feel like this sticker book, it's perfect for all of this because everything in here is about family, but also about like gardening. It says seeds of gratitude. What else? Plant seeds of love, fresh farm. Farm fresh. Life in the garden. Oh, maybe I could use that one. That would be my longest piece. Or I think it's the same actually as the one on the top. Let's see if there's anything in here I can add. Okay guys, the last thing I am going to do, because this was supposed to be a quick video and I'm starting to overthink every single detail in the embellishment part of the layout, and I don't want to do that. The intent of this video was to basically show you that with your scraps and things that don't even go together, the colors are not perfect. You can try to balance them as much as you can, but it's okay if they don't match. So the layout could kind of be tied in. Like I already said, for example, the dots on the back, the dots here, the yellow, of course, of the stickers here, but the yellow of the flowers. But it doesn't always have to be so matchy-matchy. It's a junk journal, journal aka with just pretty things. And so the last thing I'm going to do is I've kind of already written with my pencil off camera what I wanted to journal like underneath each sticker. I thought that would be a great idea, and it's gonna help me fill in the space right here. And so I'm gonna do that. And then here I just wanted to journal. Basically my daughter took this photo when we went to visit my in-laws earlier this year, so I just journaled a little bit. I'm gonna transfer everything with pen because it's with pen, so I like to do that first in case, you know, I make mistakes or whatnot. And other than me writing the rest of the stuff with the pen, that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Again, don't get overwhelmed. I kind of caught myself trying to be so picky and overthink the smaller details, and that was not my intent. So I'm just gonna finish it up here. Thank you guys for stopping by and visiting with me, and I hope to see you on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.